Hi, welcome to Lori's Kitchen Creations Valentine Edition. We continue on tonight with beef Wellington, and I have the best Valentine to help me make it. Tony Rabonza, in here from Germany, visiting with us. Welcome back.
Thank you.
So we're gonna start off with searing the steaks. He's great at that, so let's put him to work and let's get cooking.
Quick. What in the world are you doing?
Well, Tony, we're rolling out the puff pastry that we're gonna make our Wellington out of.
Make Wellington. I thought it's like steak and potatoes. Oh, it's not? Oh, yes.
Okay.
Good job slicing.
You sure you don't want to?
Best slicing ever. What am I supposed to make? What am I
Okay,
doing?
so we're going to take our prosciutto
Ooh, we got prosciutto.
and probably need like 3 pieces just to cover. You can
So
tear
this
it.
way or that way? Oh,
However, you can tear it in pieces. It doesn't have to be
so I can do it any way I
just
want?
to cover the dough
Nice.
with the prosciutto.
Okay, I can do that. I have the capability. Technology. Look, watch.
Kind of want it to overlap. I'm sure yours is going to be laid out perfectly in dimensions.
No, I can't believe it. Me?
Mr. Linear Man. So now we're going to take the seared steaks, put them in the middle of the prosciutto.
Ooh.
That one's mine because it's smaller.
No, that one's mine because I made that one.
I guess that's true. All right, and now we're going to get the mixture of what's in here. Do you remember? Thyme.
Look. Voila.
So we're going to put the mushroom, thyme, and black olive on the top. Oh, did you want to do your own?
No, it's okay. You can do it. I'll just watch. Man, that looks good.
Smells good.
Smells good too, yeah. Don't copy me when I say it smells good.
Be good with eggs.
Mm-hmm. Wow, look at that.
All right, and now we're gonna roll them up.
Just gotta put it over the top of it. Okay. Nice.
And you're gonna wanna have everything under the dough, so you don't want, you wanna make a nice fold
Okay.
and pinch it to make a seam.
Okay.
And then flip it over, seam side down to make it pretty on the top. And then just stretch the dough over and pinch it together on the sides.
I'm a little slower than you because I haven't done this before. So you're doing a great job.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel too.
Oh, you're
Have
welcome.
you joined yet?
I have. Have you?
Make sure you're tucked in real good.
Okay. I'm tucking.
Are you tucking real good?
Yep. Tucking it like it's supposed to be tucked.
Tucking it like a champ.
That's right. I'm the best tucker ever.
Okay, we're gonna put them on pan and parchment paper. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna brush it with egg wash and then pop them in the oven at 400 degrees.
Man, that looks good. Boom, bang, bong, it's done.